Hello, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Roblox app on your mobile device. The next is to click on the more option found at the bottom of your screen. So right here, all you have to do is to scroll gently, click on settings, click on privacy and content restriction. Click on communication, click on experience chat. So from here you can see that there is no option for voice chat. In order to make the voice chat option available on your settings, this is what you have to do. You just have to go back right here. All you have to do is to click on help and safety. Click on help, type in enable voice chat. Click on how to turn on voice chat. Scroll gently, click on need more help, contact support help here. So just click on contact support here. So right here, all you have to do is to contact us by completing this information needed. Your username is optional, your first name is optional. Enter the email address that you use for registering this app and confirm that same email address here. What device are you having a problem? You just have to click on this and then select the particular device. For mine is Android, just click on Android. Then the help category type, you just have to scroll, click on technical support here, and then here you just have to describe your problem. Say please enable. So just type in enable voice chat on my Roblox app and click on continue. So Roblox will give you a reply within 24 hours of sending this request to them. So guys, that is it on how to enable voice chat on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.